Finally sent me back my drone. Let's get it together. About 2 months ago, I just haven't got around to using it because I lost the controller. Right, let's remember how this goes. Fold out the arms. Let's find a battery for it. Right into my teddy bear. Right, we need some wings for this, don't we? Wings or propellers? Don't know what's politically correct these days. We'll try the silent propellers actually. I think we've got some over here. Curtains are a bit shabby, I'm in the middle of getting some new ones. Try open it. So I don't feel so self-conscious. No, it's even worse behind. Let's put them blinds up. I'm well proud of myself. Right. There's 2 propellers. And there's another 2, but I don't know which ones go on what. Alright, let me remember. Right, white on white. Ooh, this is quite exciting. Oh yeah, and black on black. Crime. No? It looks like it's new. I'm just hoping refurbished. The punks. Right, so that propeller didn't want to fit on. What's happening here? No, that's on. 2 out of 4. No. Nope, that's on. You lot just want to see it fly, don't you? You're not for all this boring stuff. Right, gimbal, cover it off. Then you've got to remove this little section here. Oh, and I need to set up the remote control, which is
Lisa.
here.
Lisa. Lisa.
Right. This goes through here. I don't know if you have to calibrate it, all that nonsense. We are having some technical difficulties. Just been having a go at this. I'm fed up with it, to be honest with you. I'll give it another go tomorrow. It's been a long old day. And I've had enough of this. I do love it, but I don't even know if this fucking... It looks like a new gimbal. I think I just can't remember how to hook it up properly. It looks brand new. But I don't want to destroy it. If I've waited 5 months, if I've waited like, altogether probably about 5 months. If I waited 5 months for it, I'm sure I could sleep one more night and then deal with this tomorrow. So until tomorrow guys, I'll post a video of me flying this bad boy. But until then, I'm going to leave it right here so my wife goes mad. Peace out, people. I'll see you tomorrow and we'll do this properly. Sorry.